Good evening, friends. Today we will be discussing about the SVM kernel. So, what is a SVM kernel? We see that our SVM support vector machine was separating the data point by using a simple line. But it might be possible there are some data points which cannot be separated by a simple line. So what happens is that in such cases we have kernel which help us to satisfy that condition. What our kernel do? It transforms our data point. It transforms our data point in such a way that it can be separated by other complex shapes like circle, ellipse, or some other 3D shapes also, so that we are able to perfectly separate our data points and do the best classification which is possible. We have so many kernel, and some of the example are like polynomial kernel. What does a polynomial kernel do is transforms our data in such a way that it can be separated by the polynomial functions like circle, ellipse. And we have our sigmoid kernel. Now what is a sigmoid kernel? The sigmoid kernel basically transforms our data so that it can be separated by a shape which is like this S like structure. Okay, and we also have another kernel, that is RBF kernels. So these were some of the example of the kernel, and you must be clear what is the use, what is the need of the SVM kernels. Thank you.